Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. And we're going to take a look at a recent trade-in, a 2019 Scarab 255 Wake Edition. All right, so 255 Scarab. Scarab did a really good job with their flip-over seats. It allows you to get a full U-shaped seat back here in the back, or just rear-facing seats. This cushion here is removable. So if you just wanted to use it as a straight up walk through out the back, you certainly can. Snap in, snap out sea deck throughout the entire cockpit of the boat. Mount here for your table. Bimini's off for storage right now, but this boat does have an oversized bimini. It'll shade from about here back to even with the back seat, so really good shade on the boat. This one also has an additional pair of tower cans up here, which are upgraded from the factory tower cans. This also does have a upgraded sound system inside the boat, extra subwoofers, extra amps. All the audio system on this boat has been replaced from the factory offerings. Does have a touch screen up here on your dash, GPS, all of your wake settings, and then you control your ballast over here with two switches. Does have a pump out head on board, and that's also a great place to keep extra life jackets, the plates that screw onto the back of the boat for making a surf wave, and extra gear. Really nice deep bow seating up in the front. I'm 6'2". It comes up to almost the top of my shoulder, so very deep bow, something you usually don't see in jet boats. So nice boat, fresh to the market. So if you've got any questions on this or any other boat you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.